Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today we're going to discuss the Tangible project and the ways we can earn crypto passive income. If you like the content, please subscribe, share, like, or comment. Thank you. All right, so I randomly ran into these guys this morning. I'm glad I did. I did some research, liked what I saw, so I decided to make a video. So what is Tangible? Well, they're an ecosystem for tokenized real-world assets. So they've created this Real USD, USDR, which is a stable coin backed by real estate. The protocol offers users access to tokenized and fractionalized real-world assets through their marketplace. We'll get into that. And if we scroll down, it's fairly quite simple. So users like you and I will browse the marketplace, decide on what we want to buy with USDR. We'll purchase that item. Once it's purchased, a TNFT is minted and sent to your wallet, Metamask, for safekeeping, trading, or selling. At the same time, Tangible will complete the purchase of the physical item through their supplier partner. And then once that's completed, the purchased item is then shipped to the Tangible vault where it's securely stored. And if we scroll back up here, at any time, the owner of the TNFT can redeem it for the physical item, transfer it to another wallet, or sell it on Tangible's marketplace. The NFT is liquid, so this reminds me a little bit of liquid staking. So if you've seen any of my other videos on liquid staking, you know you'll have an underlying asset, you'll invest that, you'll receive a tokenized asset, which is the liquid staking token, and then you can go out and do DeFi, whatever's available in that particular chain. So if I scroll down here and take a look at some of the things they're looking to solve. So it looks like there's two problems they're solving here with this project. First, we're in very unstable political and economic conditions. So investors are looking to store their wealth in alternate asset classes. And we'll get into some of those products that they have on their marketplace, as well as some investors can't purchase Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other type of asset, but they have cash. So basically this project is converting your real world cash into digital cash, and that digital cash is being purchased for a physical tangible item, which then becomes liquid. So if I scroll down, it looks like they have a huge opportunity, a $154 billion opportunity. All right, so who will Tangible's target audience be? Well, it looks like the crypto native keeps the majority of his net worth in crypto, understands crypto, collects NFTs. The real world collector collects emerging tangible assets as an inflation hedge. So it potentially is changing or hedging his investment strategy and looking to find assets that will increase in value. So if we scroll down a little bit farther, if you don't have the money to buy 100 grams worth of gold or $10,000 bottles of wine, well, you can fractionally invest. So you can invest 1%, right? So they give an example here. So an owner or investor buys a watch for 100 grand. They could put 40% of that for sale on the Tangible marketplace at 42,000. And someone like me could come along and say, I want to purchase 1% of that watch and pay $420. So they can fractionalize this. I reached out to them on their Discord. I believe they're doing some upgrades or redeploying some contracts. So this potentially might change, because I asked them whether I could buy the gold and then sell fractionally on their marketplace. And he told me don't do that. So I'm not quite sure if this is going to be available, but currently it is. So if we scroll down here and click on product categories, there it is: gold, wine, watches, and real estate. So with real estate, you can make passive income, and you can read a little bit more here. They give some examples, but if we scroll down, you can earn rent. So Tangible Custody collects rent from tenants. They pay the rent to the Tangible DAO, which then places the rent in smart contracts that allow all token holders to collect. So rent distributions start within 2 days. 2 business days of the initial property sale being completed. Right now, there is no properties for sale on their marketplace, but I'm sure that's going to change. And if you want, you could read a little bit more about the details here. You can go into the legal and technical. I looked, these guys are audited, so you can look down here at their audit document. All right, so let's head over to their Twitter and take a quick look. There they are. Tangible DAO, 22,000 followers. You can scroll down and look at an overview of their allocations. Looks like they're on Beefy. We're going to get into that. And you could do a little bit more research, including attending their AMAs. All right, so let's head over to their website. This is the fun part of the project. So if we look at Explore, there it is, wine, gold bars, watches, real estate. Let's first click on watches. And you can see there's various options. Cartier. It looks like they have Rolex. I did some research on this one, and the price looks in line. And you can go in here and click on it and do some more research. Buy now. This is worth $22,682. Let's go explore gold bars. These gold bars look so nice. I want one. You can purchase up to 1,000 grams. Let's click on this one. This one's worth $6,600. If we click on this, so here we go. You can store it for up to 4 years. You get a rewards multiplier of 1. So you can store it until May 16, 2027. There's a storage fee, $265. So you would prove that in your Metamask. And once you have USDR, which we'll get into, you'll be able to purchase that. All right, so let's head over here and take a look at real estate. Like I said, there's nothing currently available. Everything's sold out. But you could take a look at some of the properties. And if we go back over here to wines, you can look at wine. So you're going to need DAI, right? So if you're an investor, let's say you have $10,000 in cash in your bank, you're going to need to buy DAI, and you can purchase DAI pretty much anywhere. If you have USDT, you can swap for DAI as well, or USDC, but you can purchase, let's say on Coinbase, you transfer that DAI over to your Metamask. All right, next you got to go over to their website, and you're going to need to mint USDR. So we click on here, mint USDR. So once you transfer those DAI over to your Metamask, they'll show up as your balance here. You'll need to approve this in your Metamask. And once that happens, you'll be able to swap DAI for USDR. After that's complete, you can come over here and click Add to Metamask under USDR. You can also redeem. So once you're ready to cash out at some point, you can transfer USDR to DAI and send the DAI back to the exchange and exchange back to your bank account, let's say. You can also wrap here. We're going to get into a Beefy liquidity pool that have wrap USDR. So you can do that here from USDR. All right, so now that you have USDR in your wallet, let's go over here and explore purchasing a fine wine. I'm not much of a wine guy, but I'm sure some of you guys are. If we scroll down, they have multiple options. I'm going to go with this Montrose, $22.53 for a case of 12, 75 centiliters. That's about 0.75 liters and about 28 ounces. If we scroll down, you would hit click buy. 4 years to store that, $64, not bad. They're going to store it up until May 16, 2027. That's your total price. You're going to need to approve this one as well in your MetaMask. So once this is approved, you're going to receive a TNFT, and you'll be earning this TNGBL token, which is the native token for this project. And you can reinvest those or cash them out if you like. So as you are holding this and storing it, you're earning rewards. So if we click over here, you can invest that TNFT, right? So if we go over here, they have this 3 plus NFTs. If you want to do a little bit more research, you can come over here to this link and click on tangible token. It'll give you the tokenomics of this platform, and you can create NFTs. You can fractionally invest in someone else's NFT. We'll get into that. And you can lock up your NFT for multiple months, and you can reinvest that. So once you have your liquid NFT for purchasing the tangible asset, you can come over here. You can explore. You can just hold it if you want, or if you are just someone that wants to come in and invest in this project, you can invest in someone else's NFT. So let's say I only had $45 to invest. You would need to get the USDR, but you can join this guy's pool. So basically what you're doing is investing in his NFT. You're locking it up till 2026. You're earning rewards. He's becoming liquid, right? He's has your 45 USDR tokens, so he can kind of do whatever he wants with those. And at the end of the maturity date, you'll receive rewards, and you can scroll down to see what the rewards look like here. So if we scroll back over here, you can create your NFT yourself. You'll need these TNGBL tokens. So as you're holding and earning, you could potentially use those tokens. But if you want to say, hey, I got some extra money to invest, you're going to come over here and you're going to need to be on the Polygon network. And if we look for TNG, there it is, tangible. And if you're not sure about that token, you can verify it by coming over here to the tangible. There it is, TNGBL on CoinMarketCap. You copy the address, come back over here. You click on that. All right, now we've confirmed it's the right one. We'll click that, hit the arrow down. We're going to select DAI because we'll be swapping DAI for TNGBL. So once that's in your MetaMask, you go ahead and swap for that. And once that's confirmed, you can come over here and you would just simply add to MetaMask and you can see those tokens under the Polygon chain. Make sure you're on the right asset on CoinMarketCap. So then we can come back over here to their website, and here's where you're going to create the NFT. So you'll have the TNGBL tokens in your MetaMask. You click the amount you want to create for this NFT, how many months you want to lock it up for. You earn a lot more for locking up for longer periods of time. So this will be locked until April of 2026. You'll create the NFT and you'll be earning USDC and TNGBL from staking this. So once you start receiving rewards and they start adding up, you can come over here to Balancer and you want to click on TNGBL. You'll be under pools. There's a liquidity pool. It's currently not doing a lot of volume. So you can make passive income generated from fees on this liquidity pool. It looks like they have just under $1 million in liquidity, not tons of volume. You'll need the TNGBL and the USDC token, the exact ones you earn from staking or locking up your NFT. And once you add liquidity, you can come here and stake that liquidity. And if you also want, you can look at pools on Uniswap. So if we click on pools, top pools, and you make sure you're on V3 and the Polygon, you click TNGBL. For some reason, it doesn't show up when you first click it. You got to go back in there. There it is, TNGBL DAI. This is a liquidity pool. So if we go back to Uniswap, we clicked on pools, new position. We'll click on TNGBL and DAI, and you can click your fee. Let's say we're going to charge this. You'll be able to set up liquidity in this particular pool to earn rewards as people swap on the platform for these tokens. And the last thing is Beefy. I've reviewed this project under Phantom DeFi. Go check that out. If we click on Polygon and click USDR in the search, there's two liquidity pools. So this one here, you're investing 4 different stable coins. The safety score is 9.1. You're going to have to do this on Curve. You just hit add liquidity. You can come down and review more information. This one's making almost 43%. And you can purchase insurance. So we click back. So when I spoke about minting and swapping USDR for wrapped, that's where you would do it. So you could swap for wrapped USDR and use USDC to earn around 4%. That's another option. You can come in here. They have a safety score of 8. It looks like they have small market cap. That's why they're getting warnings here. And it looks like you'll be earning around 4%. All right, so those are ways to earn with Tangible. It looks like they've thought through this project. There are many ways to earn. As we go into uncertain times, there could be opportunities to hedge your investment. You also want to do your own research. I will continue to make crypto passive income videos. If you have any suggestions, please leave those. If you can leave me a like or share, that'd be great. Until next time, thanks for watching. See you later.